racing as they battle for the Yula Valdez Trophy race. We have La Sombra, break quick clear start. Marta's Magic is running by the rail. Noritat that comes next. Embraceable head spin while ready for gold is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have La Sombra by about 3 lengths. Marta's Magic in second. Moving up na Warrior outside Embraceable. Noritat that head spin while ready for gold. Still racing in 6. Back to the leader, we have La Sombra maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Marta's Magic in second. Noritat that moving up now to take third. Embraceable comes next. Head spin while ready for gold, still in 6. Half mile distance they traveled. We have La Sombra maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Right behind in second is Marta's Magic. Noritat that comes next. Embraceable head spin now coming closer in tip. Next on line now is ready for gold. And at the part turn we have La Sombra maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Marta's Magic is still in second. Moving upon the outside now Embraceable. Noritat that comes next. Head spin while ready for gold. Still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have La Sombra. And on the outside now is Embraceable. Noritat that head spin comes next. With about 150 meters more to run. La Sombra followed now by head spin on the outside. Noritat that Embraceable, but it's still La Sombra followed by head spin Embraceable. And finally it's going to be La Sombra. Head spin, then comes Embraceable. Noritat that ready for gold, and Marta's Magic.